Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's September and it's time to do another monthly bullet journal spread. For me, September is always about apple picking. I've been going to apple picking for the past, 9 years probably. First, I started in Virginia where I lived, and it's such an amazing experience. And after I moved to Los Angeles, I found an orchard here, not far from Los Angeles. It's about 2-hour drive just north of LA, and there is this beautiful apple orchard called Los Rios Ranches, and this year is going to be our 4th time going there to apple pick. So because of that, I decided to dedicate this month to apples. I also decided to keep it very simple. We were moving to a new apartment, and past 2 weeks have been insane. So I decided to keep my bullet journal spread very simple, very straightforward. So for that, I used my Pigma Micron pens, size 005 and 03. I also sketched out just a light drawing of apples in a bucket, and with just a little bit of a pencil. I only used 3 spreads for this month. The first one is of course the main one with the September drawing, and then on the right side you will see I'll put a page for my September goals. The next spread will be my monthly spread with my monthly calendar, and the last spread is my weekly spread. I might make different iterations for each week, but I will try to keep it very simple and clean in the same kind of like rustic style. But yes, that's kind of it for me rambling. I hope you enjoy watching me plan out my bullet journal, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.